This video shows the walkthrough of how I created this 3-dimensional threaded bolt by following certain steps. You can find the link of the text version of the tutorial so you can also create based on your own understanding. Start by creating a new layer and making the object blue. Type PL for polyline and then make your first point anywhere on the screen. Create a straight line measuring 3 by 180 degrees. Next, another line measuring 3/16 by 90 degrees. Another line measuring 0.5 by 0 degrees. Another line measuring 0.25 or 1/4 and -1/16. A line measuring 2 by 0 degrees, and then just connect the two endpoints to close the figure. To make the figure into 3-dimensional, change the workspace into 3D modeling and SW isometric. Type the revolve command and select the polyline. Revolve it around the 3-unit line for the default 360 degrees. Just to get a fuller look, type isoline and set the system variable to 8 and use the region command. Then switch to the left viewpoint. You should be viewing the top threaded bolt head. Type UCS and select the view option to create a new UCS. Return to SW isometric viewpoint again. This will help you create the threaded bolt's head. Type or click the cylinder command. The center of the cylinder should also be the top center of the bolt's head. Use the diameter option, measuring 9/16. With a height of 0.25. Type the polygon command and then select 6 sides. The center of the hexagon should be the bottom center of the cylinder. Select circumscribe about circle option with radius of 9/32. Use the extrude command to extrude the hexagon to the top of the cylinder. create the bevel top, draw a circle using the center radius at the top center of the cylinder. Measuring 9/32. Extrude it using taper angle option. Measuring -45 degrees. And a distance of 0.5. Type the intersect command and select the extruded hexagon and the tapered circle. Press enter. To see if it works, change the visual style into conceptual. Now to create the threads, start by typing the Helix command. The center of the thread is the center of the circle. The base radius is any quadrant of the same circle. Press enter to set the top radius to the same as the base radius. Use the turns option and set it into 14. Now, for the endpoint, pick the center of the other circle. Type World UCS and use the Plan command. Turn the viewpoint so you can have a closer look of the bottom of the helix. Type UCS and select the View option to create a new UCS. Now, to create the triangular shape of the thread, type the Polygon command and choose 3 sides. Set the center to the endpoint of the thread. Use the Inscribed in Circle option with a radius of 1/16. Then you'll need to rotate the triangle so that one corner of the triangle is facing outward from the rod of the bolt. Type the Sweep command and select the triangle. Use the Alignment option and choose No. Select the helix as the sweep path. Lastly, use the Union command and select all the objects to combine them. And then that's it. Change into any visual style you want and your threaded bolt should look like this.